Yo, what's up guys, SAVVYAZE here, back with another vlog. So, I've been cooped up inside, feeling a little bit better, but not that much. So, might as well walk outside for a little bit and drop in some mail. Then come back real quick. Nothing too much. Got my mask, got my keys, got everything, so that's good. And I'll probably pick up the vlog when there's something good happening. So hopefully I have some more stuff to vlog, because it's been a while since we vlogged. Before we get into the rest, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. Alright, it's snowing a little bit, little flurries. Oh, much better. Alright, made it back home. Went to deli, got myself a bacon, egg, and cheese. And the guy said I have a radio voice, which made my day. So, thanks, dude. But, well, I didn't know that I'm kind of a little bit sick. So, I guess a lot of people like my sick voice. So, that's good. I actually do like my voice like this, too. Sounds a lot better. So, anyways, I'm probably gonna dig in with my bacon, egg, and cheese and my iced tea and my Mountain Dew pink melon thing. Arizona. Because, you know, gotta stay hydrated. And bacon, egg, and cheese, because I spent all the bacon, egg, and cheese on, well, I already ate all the eggs that I had. And also got Pop Rocks, because I haven't had these in a while. Kind of want to do a little experiment. Pop Rocks, I guess, later. So I'm gonna dig in, see you guys later. Oh no. Still a little bit sick, but whatever. So this is how my January went. I haven't really posted much in January because you guys already know, got sick. So here's how your channel did. 430 new subscribers, nice. 3,375 total views, not bad. 10.8k minutes watch. Oh, nice. And I guess that's pretty much it. I'll go explore my tab. Probably just gonna go towards, yep, the creative studio. I'm already in my fucking account. What the fuck? Oh. Oh wow. Yep. Not bad. In December. Oh, so this is December 2. Well, that's it for this little short. What's up guys, SAVVYAZE here. Just woke up. Got my coffee and buttermilk toast. Something light. Yeah, it's the next day. Because I don't know what else to record. I'm boring as day. But it's pretty sick, so I can't really go out and stuff. Because, you know, I gotta stay safe. COVID and stuff. See, every time I think I get rid of this cough, but nah, it comes back. Like, the fuck? So, probably eat and probably go back to sleep. Because this cough just ain't doing it.
To our group on squad.
That's true.
I don't want to talk to some random forward person.
First one is right back here. I remember that.
Yep.
Wait, Ranger, it says this before you jump down. Oh shit.
I tried to stay on there.
What?
And I slept off.
Also, it says you can't actually just magically go from Where you come out? I feel like you could.
I
You
tried,
might
but
be able to. I guess we just went. I think you just went a little too fast.
I was trying to tell the pictures like yeet,
Yeah, you,
yeet.
stupid wall getting my way.
I was watching Annabelle Ranger when you texted me.
Didn't we see that already?
It was actually it was the one that you, me, and Richie saw years ago. Annabelle Creation. Because I saw it was on Netflix today, and I was like, huh, this was not here yesterday. So I watched it.
Cool.
I don't know why I watch horror movies. I get scared so easily. But it's
Wait,
fun.
what the fuck?
There's
but the
fun.
game didn't start yet.
Oh wow, we did all that for nothing. Yo, we did all that for nothing.
Started already.
It's not this.
Oh, you could stay on. You could stay on.
Try stay up there.
Yeah, you could stay
Just
up.
please tell me you were recording.
Oh no, I should. No, I should. Wait, is my flashlight in there? Yes, it is.
Wait,
I'm gonna record
I
this.
think I was recording too. That's fucking funny. Alright guys, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog. I tried, but I'm still coughing like crazy. And my doctor still haven't sent over the medicine, so wait for that. But thank you for those people who still watch me, even though I haven't posted in a while. Thanks for all the love and support. Appreciate it so much. But so far, doing good. This has been amazing because I finally got paid for YouTube. Like, finally. It took like a whole year and a month. Well, yeah, a whole year and a month. Almost 2 months because the month's about to end. But you guys are amazing. Love you all. Hopefully, we could get more views, get more likes, get more comments, get a bigger subscriber base. And hopefully, I can make better content for you guys. Or funny content for you guys. As soon as I get better. I'm trying. So, hang in there. Because I'm new to this. I'm still figuring out a whole bunch of stuff. But we have like 8.6k now. So close to 10k. So keep subscribing. You know, share the videos with your friends and family. And I'm probably gonna head off now. So thank you all. Love you all. Stay safe. Peace out.